Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing another couple of trades. This is on the August the 15th. Took a quick look at the meter, and the yen is very strong, so that means the yen pairs are going down. Took the trade about 20 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago. I sold both the euro yen and the pound yen. Took my usual standard lots, and I checked the higher time frames just to confirm, according to my pip trigger rules, that it's going down, which I teach in the training videos. Forex Nelson is back after a short break. This is the way I love trading. A little over a half an hour in the trade, and it takes off. I hate this waiting around for 45 minutes or an hour to be making money. As I said, took the trade around 8:45, and it's 9:15 now. So around 30 minutes, and it's still going in my favor down here at the bottom, as you can see. The meter is still cooperating, telling me to sell the euro and the pound, and the driving force is the yen, which is very high over here at the moment, so I believe it'll still keep going down, but you never know for sure. All you can do is keep an eye on the trade and try not to give too much back to the market. I'm only looking for anywhere from 10, 20, and if I can get 30 pips or above, that's a bonus. But we can only sit and wait and see what'll happen. Just try not to turn a winning trade into a losing trade. That's what your goal is as a trader. It's very important. And I teach how to do that in my training videos. Forex Nelson is back, and I wrapped up the trade. I actually took a grand total of 3 trades. They were just, some people would call it like scalping. I'm usually looking for 10 to 20 pips. One was over 10 pips and the other 2 were under 10 pips. But I see it stalling right here and right here on the pound yen, and I decided to close it. As I said previously, I didn't want to give the market back the pips and or money, so I decided to close the trade. I've been in the trade for less than an hour, and as you can see the totals down here, it comes to over $1,800 altogether for less than an hour's work, and that I'm very happy for. I based the trades on the yen strength today, and it's starting to get, it's still strong, but it's dropping down a little bit. It was over 9, now it's 8. So anyhow, on the pound yen, I was expecting more on this one, but I just didn't get it. Approximately 7 pips. And on the, I got in at this cursor here, and I closed it right here with 12 pips. And as you can see, the meter down here at the bottom. Now it hasn't hit the ADR, but that's fine. It can still hook around and keep going down, and that is also fine. As I've learned many years ago, 5 years ago, don't be too greedy. Master a system, have a plan, plan your trade and trade your plan, and that's what you have to get down. And make sure you have proper trade management and money management, and don't forget your mindset. That's very important. When you put in a trade, you cannot be freaking out. I no longer freak out. I know I'm going to lose approximately 1 or 2 trades out of every 10, but that's okay. I keep my stops small, which is what you have to do, and you got to have more winners, like 7 or 8 out of 10. And this way here, the end of the week and the month, you're making money, and that's what the bottom line is. As you can see here, it's still trying to break through the bottom. And if it goes any further, this arrow will move over. But that's okay. I'm finished for the day. It's 9:44 at the moment, and I may check the London close to see if there's any action around about another hour or so, and I'll take a look to see what's going on. So anyhow, that just about wraps up this video and this trade. If you want to know more about the pip trigger, look right below this video. I have a write-up on it. Answer your questions, all my contact information, and if you make Skype contact with me through screen sharing, I can show you a lot more about the pip trigger and answer your questions. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please give it a thumbs up. Okay, until the next trade, happy trading.